Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy Twitch profile link. It's very easy. First of all, you have to, for example, I will just give you an example. I will just go to this streamer link here. Let me just pause this video. Right, I will just click on the streamer profile icon. I will just close this and I'm right now into the profile of the streamer forehead, right? And if I want to copy his profile link, then what I will do, on the top right you will see the three dots. Just click over there. Now you will get this option of share. Once you click on share, you can just bring this top up or like this, whatever. Now here you can just copy this, right? So you can see I have copied. Let me show you. I will just go to any of the browser, and here I will just paste this out and I will just hit the enter button, right? And it will just take a few seconds, and here you can see forehead Twitch. I'll just click on this and I will be back on this profile, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, like this video.